Hi guys, welcome again to another episode of Bert's tutorial where we teach and we learn. Alright, today we'll be looking at another common issue, and that's scratches and small swirl marks in cars. Today we'll be featuring the Abro Scratch remover, and this product will get scratches and swirl marks like these out of your paint entirely. Alright, so watch as I demonstrate how to use the Abro Scratch remover to get rid of scratches like these. Alright, so the first step will be to apply the product. Shake it up. Alright, put some on a nice clean cloth and apply some to the scratches. Alright, and make sure you apply it in a circular motion. And depending on how bad the scratch is, you can apply multiple coats. Okay, there's still a little bit here, so you reapply. Guys, as you can see, the Abro Premium Scratch Remover works really well in taking care of even the toughest of scratches, because that was a very difficult scratch to work on, and now it's completely gone, as you can see. Now this product and every other Abro product can be found at all Bert's locations. Make sure when you go, you ask for a 10% discount by giving them the code ABROTAKES10. Alright, see you in the next Bert's tutorial.